Do you have trouble seeing green and red colors clearly on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra? Today I will show you how to use the color correction feature, especially the Deutan mode, which help with green-red color blindness. This will make the screen easier to see for people with this type of color vision issue. To use this feature, head into Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Accessibility. Tap Accessibility, tap Vision Enhancement. Next, tap Color Correction. Turn on the toggle to enable color correction. Scroll down the screen, then choose Deutan from the list. As a note, this mode helps people who have trouble with green and red colors. Here you can also adjust the intensity with the slider, making the effect stronger or lighter depending on your need. If you want a quick access to turn this on or off later, turn on the shortcut option. To do so, tap Color Correction shortcut, turn it on, and then select the desired shortcut. As the example, if you just tap Accessibility button, then next time you can easily enable or disable the selected color correction setting by tapping the Accessibility button and then tap Color Correction. Given to the function, using this feature can make your phone easier to use if you have green-red color blindness. It can reduce mistakes when reading color text or viewing photos. So you can try adjusting the intensity to find best view for your eyes. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.